Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Oh man, things are happening. You guys missed me last Thursday and the market took a turn for the worst. So, before we talk all things crypto, it's hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. We're trying to gain financial freedom here. Is that you? Are you trying to gain financial freedom alongside us? If you are, please hit that subscribe. Grow the Ganja Goons gang. We're trying to grow. We're trying to find like-minded individuals like yourself, and really a lot to talk about today. So we are going to get right into it. Guys, what happened? What happened? Who dumped on us? Who dumped on us? Germany dumped on us. And potentially Mount Gox is dumping on us as we speak because they're doing all their stuff starting July, and they've done some movements as well. We're going to talk about that during the news segment. But let's look at the market, and we're starting off with the global crypto market cap 2.09 trillion. Is there a chance we're going to go under 2 trillion? Is the real question. And is the bottom in? Another question that I am also pondering. Right now, most indicators are still showing the sell cycle. We did have a little inclination of a potential crossover, but almost none of that panned out. And we're pretty much back to where we started. And now people are talking about selling pressure or anticipated selling pressure that is going to continue. And, potentially. But there are things to look out for and things that we are considering. So one of the plays we talked about was Solana, and there have been news about, hey, Solana ETF is now being shown. I believe it's either the first or second one now, so it's going up there, and I believe more will follow suit, and soon Solana will be an ETF, and people that move their ETFs, when the Ethereum one gets approved, when the Solana one gets approved, they're going to move their money around, and slowly but surely, I do believe that these cryptocurrencies are going to increase, because what we're doing is looking at that global crypto market cap, and these guys are holding market share quite a lot. And by a lot, obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum holding the majority, and everything else is altcoin. But not too bad. Not too bad. When it comes to Solana, I can still see a plenty of X's in the works, and really moving it closer and closer to Tether and overtaking BNB. So let's see. Let's see. Time will only tell. Time will only tell. Um, Other than that, almost everything in the market went down alongside Bitcoin when they started dumping on us. So you're going to see on the weekly, almost, I would say it's 80% shot that in the top 100s, you have at least a 15% or more that something's down on the week. So it's very unfortunate. It's a great recovery on the daily, but for the week, it is a heavy hitter, and it's something to consider now. Going, hey, I've seen these prices during the bull run. Is this the right time to get in? And some of the time, if you find the right entry point, it could very well be the right time to get in. You just have to understand what is going on, and make sure that you get in when you can. We've talked about QNT, we've talked about um, PIT, and these are definitely retracing back to the levels we talked about. I think we even talked about early PIT at 24, and now we're at 28. I'm like, yeah, that's not too bad. We talked about Jupiter at $1. We're at about 72 right now, and you're like, hey, it's not just them, it's across the board. It's across the board. So give everyone a break and let's accumulate. All right. All right. Other than that, we are in the fear 36. Hopefully, we go into neutral, and hopefully soon. But otherwise, potentially, we're chasing bottom. So let's see where bottom comes in, or have we already hit bottom at 52 there? So we'll talk about that during the charts. And now, what we're looking at is dominance, dominance, dominance. We have to make sure that we are holding most of the coins that we're holding have good market share. And what we're looking at is that market cap. So when it comes to dominance for Bitcoin, we're still at 53 and we're still at 17 for Ethereum. So not too bad. Nothing's really changed. Even when the price action went down, we pretty much held on to the same market cap ratio. So no new Ethereum didn't take over Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't slump down too crazily. We're still holding market share when it comes to the amount of money that's in crypto. So the believers are still believing. The believers are still believing. There is a lot of bearish sentiment, do understand. And I know the chart looks green right now, but that's only on the day. Right now, it's green. But for the most part, we took quite a big tumble that no one expected. And now we're going to see what happens. Hopefully, Germany selling, they are doing the right thing with all that money they got now. Hopefully. Um, Continuing on, we're looking at, hey, what's trending? Biggest gainers, biggest losers. And I know, not coin, not coin, not coin. Oh boy, we've been looking at it. Ethereum name service, we've been looking at it. And TIA. We always seen TIA on the list. I'm not expecting anything crazy, but hey, the ones that are up today. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. If this is your exit point, make sure you figure out your exit point as well. Pepe, Bank. And I think WIF was a little down today. And now we're looking at, hey, is $2 for WIF plausible? It seems like a legitimate community, so I'm not ruling it out of the picture yet. I do believe there is still money to be made when it comes to meme coin market. It's not, done. I believe we're still gonna keep going. I believe. Other than that, almost everything else is expected. Hey, we're getting some price action and recovery on Bitcoin closer to 57K. Are we gonna hit 60K? Maybe we'll get that recovery. Time will only tell. We'll talk about it during the charts as well. But keep in mind, this is very, very new. We just took a big tumble. We don't know if the market sentiment is still bearish, and we are just anticipating and really trading on nerves. Like, really, hey, people are feeling um, bearish, they have fear, right? Yet we're seeing some price actions go positive. So I want to make sure that you guys are understanding the market and not just understanding, hey, this is a great entry point. Because if the market continues to tumble, your entry point means nothing. So we do have to look at the charts to understand what's going on. So I want to call out AVAX. I know AVAX has gone out and right now it's only down 2%. It's not too bad. But on the overall grand scheme of things, guys, we were looking at 32 and we're at 25. We're basically exactly $10 from all-time high. So if you're looking, hey, what's my entry point? Keep in mind, most of the guys that had it, they were getting in $13, right? When they were looking at 60. Now we're at 25. You don't think 60 is going to hit again? You don't think all these guys are going to continue to hold? You think everyone's going to start dumping? It's just not realistic. So I am looking at the charts. I'm looking at the money coming in. I'm understanding where AVAX is at, how much it is up in the grand scheme of things. I think it is going to do some things, and when people look away, that's when it seems to be adopting. So keep an eye on it. I am hearing some things in the pipeline. I don't want to say too much, but hopefully the things that they're rolling out is actually, this may be at the AVAX QT report. Yep. So we'll see what comes out of it, and it's going to get quite interesting. So keep your eye out on AVAX, because I feel like someone's going to know. Oh, Teddy, you told me that one time. Yes, I did. Looks like some sell-off, but we'll see how long this is sustaining. We'll see. Maybe Thursday it's up. Almost everything that goes up goes down. Everything that goes down must go up. It's basically the name of the game. All right, so let's move on over to the news. I have a few articles I've outlined that I just want to share. One of the first ones is, hey, we got the 21 share Solana ETF plan confirmed in the CBOE filing. So the Chicago Board Options Exchange has officially asked the SEC to let asset managers Vanek and 21 shares bring a Solana based exchange traded fund, aka ETF, to the market. Guys, this literally, I think it was 2 hours ago that I got the notification, and it is an interesting thing. Now, this is two applicants. We're going to see what ends up happening, but they both got 19B4 filings in. And next is going to be that S4 or S1 form that everyone is um, anticipating that approval is going to come. Hey, when it happens for Ethereum, it's going to happen for Solana. Why would they make it harder? Why would they make it harder? What? All of a sudden they're going to introduce some new crazy regulation? Nah, get out of here. Get out of here. And you know what's crazy? Um, a lot of people aren't realizing what ETFs mean when it comes to the market cap. Guys, this is literally the bridge between digital currency and um cryptocurrencies, like literally from stocks to crypto. Um, and we're giving all these investors that financial freedom to go, hey, you can come invest in Bitcoin with your actual fiat currency that you put away as investment purposes, whether you put it into a 401k, an IRA, whatever it may be, or even stocks, even stock options, whatever it may be, you will have the ability to also grab Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now you go, hey, you're adding Solana onto that. You're adding AVAX onto that. You're adding meme coins onto that. You don't think people are going to move money around? You don't think that, hey, market caps are going to only increase as you give them that access and the ability? That's where your mind should be, and that's really what I'm trying to understand. So if I had the chance, yes, I would grab Solana on any dip that it would go, because I do believe that at some point when the ETFs get approved, this two-stage ETF process that Gensler has rolled out, it's going to happen. And now there's anticipation on what happens if former President Trump, is elected. And there's been a lot of talk on, hey, the Republican Party is party platform on crypto and couldn't really ask for anything more. So they're basically saying they're going to end the crypto crackdown. This has been said um, literally as like clapback on all these crazy crypto crackdowns, doesn't really follow any rhyme or reason on why they're doing the crackdown. They only do a few of them and not others. They're tired of it. So they're like, hey, we're going to end these crypto crackdowns. We're going to say no to CBDCs because, Mr. Biden wants to promote the CBDCs, which I haven't heard is a thing, but supposedly they're coming in firm that no CBDCs, which is great for me. I'm like, yeah, no spying. And what's interesting, right to mine. I love that. Right to mine. Hey, you can mine whatever you want. I love that. I want to figure out how they're going to enforce that. But really, if it's your own self custody and your own miner, does it really matter? No. No. How are they going to know? How are they going to know? Where is this regulation going to come in from? And then the right to transact freely. So, a lot of things coming in. We will see what ends up happening. But for the most part, it is interesting that the committee is taking a pro crypto approach. And we'll end up seeing if this is something that's going to really be a hot button topic during the election cycle. What's interesting is they said, hey, it wasn't even called out in his report. They actually just chalked it up to like digital currency in the thing. So it's quite interesting that they're making this uh, the one of the topics that stands out, but I'm feeling like uh even with the change from what Biden has said, maybe this won't be as crazy, and it'll just be a change that is just accepted regardless of party. People are just going to be like, yeah, we got to stop, and we just got to let things do whatever they want, because we don't want the government peering. Or is this another way for them to do more? Yeah, makes you think. All right, continuing on, I also want to talk about, hey, is there more selling happening? What is going to happen? And keep in mind, guys, these guys have taken 16,309 Bitcoin, almost $900 million has been sold, right? What they did, they moved all this money into different exchanges. They really put it um, and dispersed it as much as they could in the matter of like a few seconds. But hey, as soon as they did, we all saw what was happening, and we knew there was selling pressure about to start. So boom, they moved the money. Boom, sales started happening, and the wallets are right here. You can literally see, hey, BKA, BC1QO. BC1QQ, and you're like, hey, this is where the money's moving to. This is what they've done. This is how much they moved. This is what they're trying to say, that, hey, they're trying to prevent you from doing this. But this is the beauty of blockchain. Hey, we can now see what's really going on. Hey, the government's really selling their Bitcoin. Look at the proof. Look at the proof. So another 700 Bitcoin, and they talk about this 13PO wallet, but in the overall thing, it's like 900 million Bitcoin that was basically sold. And now their holdings are just under 23,788, almost worth 1.3 billion. And keep in mind, they started with 50,000. So they've already sold more than half. Is there more selling? 1.3 billion to Germany? Come on now. Come on now. How much more do you need? How much more do you need? Just hold. Just hold. This is going to be I don't know. Actually, just sell. Just sell, Germany. You don't need it. You don't need Bitcoin. You come up with your own thing. You probably have some CBDC that you need to roll out. They're like, we don't need Bitcoin. We're just gonna do our CBDC. And then everyone else adopts Bitcoin just like all the other countries, and they're like, ah, damn it, what do we do now? Yeah, I can totally see this playing out. I feel like the future is Bitcoin. So this article also talks about Mount Gox. Basically, Mount Gox, starting July 1st, they had said they had begun repaying people in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So they're saying, hey, they have a lot as well, almost 9 billion worth of Bitcoin. So don't even worry about what's going on with Germany. Look at how much Mount Gox is moving, and they've literally just moved 2.71 billion from a cold wallet to a bunch of exchanges as well. So hey, just because they're moving it doesn't mean they're gonna sell, right? They're gonna sell. So a lot of selling pressure in the recent uh and past few days, but hey, we will see if this continues, because this is literally coming from, wait, what is this, Tyson? Hey brother, coming from the Americas meme coin on Ethereum community, check us out. AMC on X, it's ETH AMC. All right, Tyson, I will check it out during goon time. Thank you. That sounds pretty cool. ETH AMC. And then I saw Soul Trade in here. This market driving me bonkers. Batches, smash the likey thing and share the stream. AMC, Us Diamond on ETH about to enter the chat, Teddy. All right, let's go. Let's go. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. We just learning about Bitcoin and what's going on there. How you doing? I'm the best. How are things? What are you up to? How's life? What do you think about Germany dumping on us? What do you think about Mount Gox getting ready as well? So Mount Gox repayments is a true thing. They're moving money around as well. Do not get caught in the crosswinds, understand the potential future of the market as well. So understand the entry point you're getting into, understand how much further it could go down. Don't put all your eggs in one basket at the same time. But if it doesn't go down to your anticipated levels, maybe on the way up you grab some mores, because hey, the levels that we're talking about is generational wealth here, not just here, not just now. Generational. Generational. And I have one more article I want to drill down on, because we've been talking about it. Hey, they are talking about lawyers that are SEC friendly, and they're going, hey, SEC is 100% going to look at all these celebrity crypto tokens, be careful. And they basically called out Caitlyn Jenner, Iggy Azalea, Jason Derulo, and many others. So very, very interesting thing. We'll see what ends up happening. We know they've gotten Kim Kardashian, with the 1.26 million for pushing Ethereum Max or Emax. We'll end up seeing what's going to happen to Iggy, Jenner, Jason. And it's very, very sad that these types of crypto crackdowns happen. It's your own money, it's your own risk that you willingly took, and they're like, nah, we got to come after you, and this is all bad, endorsements bad. But hey, if the stock exchanges have to play by these rules, then we have to play by these rules. So we definitely shouldn't be um, completely unregulated. There needs to be some regulation so we can continue having those crypto X's that we want. So in the end, not too bad. Nothing's happening yet, but there is talk of it, that hey, they're looking at this, and I start to wonder, are they looking at Andrew Tate's coin as well? Because he's been moving many. He's been moving many as well. Everything is good, my brother. Why they keep delaying ETH ETF? Because he's lazy. He knows once he approves it, it's all over for him, and he's looking for his entry point. All this seems coordinated to drop the prices one last time to liquidate longs and acquire more before liftoff. Yeah, 100% coordinated. 100%. 120%. But yeah, other than that, nothing too crazy. Just keep your eye on it. Be careful which tokens you're getting into, just in case. You never know when the SEC is going to come down and crack down and do their thing. But maybe a crackdown will increase the price even more. They're like, hey, why are they going over this? It's not going to increase the price even more. You wish. But yes, that's all I had for the news. I want to move over to the chats. This is going to be quite interesting, because I think this is the first time we've seen a dip of this sort. And people are wondering, hey, where do we go from here? And as I've said, almost every indicator I've seen has shown when we didn't hold up in that 0.236 level, we went down quickly, and we didn't even have the time to retest. So I am going to move the fib retracement just to understand where we are right now, and what's being charted. So I'm moving the fib retracement even from the last high. I'm going to come down just to understand where we are with the time frame we're charting. I'm just putting at the last high and the last low in this current time frame. And guys, I get to the 0.236 level, and if I was retesting, I go 57. Now keep in mind, now my 1.61 is 70k. 70k is still possible. This goes up to 59k. 70k is still possible in my eyes. But right now, I believe potentially there could be more. There could be more, because we are having a narrowing. We know there is selling pressure coming in from Mount Gox, right? Not only Germany. Germany may be done right now. Maybe they do a few more. It's not going to shake us out too bad. But if that selling pressure from Mount Gox, which has a lot more, we're talking $9 billion they have to repay, potentially we go down further just from that selling pressure alone. AMC, but that like button, AMC, hit that like button, grab a bag of America's meme coin, AMC, Asu, like and subscribe. What's going on, Ricky B? Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. So do understand your entry point and see that, hey, what was once support is now turned resistance. So that 57K is now resistance for us. So I'm really watching Bitcoin's chart. But it does kind of indicate to me that potentially the short continues. And keep in mind, we called the short at 67K, right? Look at the price now. Look at the price now. Look at the price where it was. So, hey, that was a great short call out. Triple G indicator, real good. Takes a while to get the confirmation, but I'd rather have the confirmation before I do the trades. I'm going to flip over to Ethereum. You're going to see Ethereum has got the short. We are having a widening on the Andean oscillator. And one of the main things I'm looking at is, hey, is it possible that we are coming out green when it comes to Ethereum? Because most of us, I believe, got in right around 2000, 2100. And we're right about at 3000 right now. I'm just going to move this to the current. Oh, sorry about that. To the current high and the last low. And just so you guys can see, the 0.236 gives it at 2,900 something. They were right about support right now, and 3,100 is about a resistance. So we'll see if this continues to climb. Ethereum does seem to be showing a lot more bullish signs than Bitcoin currently, and that may just be because everyone's dumping Bitcoin and Ethereum's holding on to that market cap because of that. America's meme coin on Ethereum is here, down a bit now, like most alts, but definitely has a lot of potential. Run by SHIB and Doge whales from Shiba Doge project. Oh, really? America's meme coin AMC, ETH AMC. Wait, I know about Shiba Doge. Shiba Doge did a AMC coin. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize. That's called America's meme coin. So continuing on, I have Solana, and I just want to show you Solana. Oh wait, I skipped over BNB, but it's fine. I just want to show you Solana with my fib retracement moved to the current low and the last high in this time frame. And check this out, guys. When you look at it this way, 142 is all Solana needs to break. And if we go above 142, I go, hey, 176 is within reach. So is 138 a great entry point? Potentially. I'm looking at that narrow Andean, one quick crossover. It's already crossed over once. We got a long fake out position. Boom, got hit with the market short. Potentially another fake out, another long coming in. Someone knows something. Someone knows something. So keep in mind when it comes to Solana. And continuing on with BNB, which is skipped over, I'm also adjusting BNB just now, just so we're looking at the fib retracements going to that last high and the current low in this time frame. And guys, this is where it gets interesting because what I'm looking at is at 0.618, which puts BNB at 537. I'm already above the 0.382. I'm at support at the 0.382 at basically 500. I go 537's within reach. 537's within reach. Andean super wide, but how much wider can this go? How much wider can this go? If it doesn't hold, 455 continues to happen. But if it does, we do get the bullish signs we're looking at, then yeah, it can continue. It can continue. Overall, Triple G still gives it that short, which is basically one of the things. AMC on it. ETH, what's going on, Mitch? Nice to see you as well. Yeah, the Shiba Doge from last run that went to 300 million. From last run that went to 300 million or so. Same one. This is the same one. Wait, what the hell? I have not seen this. I need to check this out during Goon time. You were only one point away. Let me get through this and I will check it out. I promise. I promise. Your efforts are not in vain. I will actually deliver. XRP, I'm just hoping XRP will have its day. At this point, I just need either the company to pump it or like do another party or something, like whatever it needs to. because right now I got nothing. I'm just adjusting XRP to the last low and then the last high before takeoff. And XRP is right at 0.382. My 0.618 is at 44 cents at this point. 44 cents. AMC Usu. What is this? Usu. What's Sasu? Usasu? Usasu. I'm so confused. Usasu. Ususususu. Does this mean something? What does it mean? Am I doing a Teddy moment right now? The community's like, Teddy, it means this. What the hell? I'm like, nah, I don't know. What is this? Oh boy, I'm sorry. Please let me know what it means. Continuing on, just upgrading fib retracements across the board here. So going from last high to current low. And here for Shiba Inu, we're still in the red, so I'm probably gonna go down. I mean, I'm back in my yellow levels I've originally drawn up. We're basically right before takeoff when it comes to Shiba Inu, so it seems like a great entry point. Doge, just adjusting my points here, just so. Yeah, even Doge, I'm slowly but surely going closer and closer to zero. So even that feels risque. Pepe's having a green day, but Pepe's got that low LP, so maybe that's the advantage when it comes to Pepe. Because even I think if you adjust, you're still above 0.236. So yeah, Pepe's got that low LP, so it stays above these levels. Maybe it has the run during while everything else is down. Keep an eye on Pepe. Keep an eye on Bonk. Bonk's got a long signal that came in. Wait, Bonk's got a long signal that came in right around 402. 4023, and you're at 4023. So yeah, great entry point for Bonk as well. Let me just adjust the fib retracement here, just make sure we're seeing some. Oh wow, even if I go to this, we're still in the red, so I'm trying to be realistic. I'll go to the last high, current low. Yeah, technically Bonk is right at 0.618. So yeah, this could continue. Bonk is on my radar right now. Let's see. Bone, I'm still waiting for it to bleed out. Hey, didn't suffer too badly, but it did suffer a little bit. Went down to 37. You're at 46. So let's see. Still a short signal. And, those short signals are a long bleed. So be careful when it comes to bone sometimes. Crow, I know, is just depleting. Oh boy, they keep rewarding tokens and people keep dumping. When will it stop? Yeah, we just keep sliding down. Let's keep an eye on that. WorldCoin, now we're at $1 or something. Damn it, Sam Altman. You're supposed to make it all back. We're supposed to make it all back. Look what you did. Look what you did. Nah, it's not his fault. It's the entire market as a whole. I think that is what else did I have? Litecoin. We were looking at Litecoin. We were looking at it around 75. I'm out. It's at 64 at this point, and I'm like, dude, maybe more to bleed because you're either accumulating or you're waiting for another entry point because it just keeps bleeding. And we were around the 75 for so long. We had a potential entry point, and then it went down. We had another entry point at 75, and it's like, oh my god, is this ever going to hit 100 again? Hopefully, but it looks like right now Indian's getting wider, so maybe further blood ahead before we actually see it go positive. And Pepe is pretty much we talked about. Let me see. I think that is all I had. WIF is also down and getting wider. We got the short signal back at $3.35 and we're at $1.60. So that was 50% that you could have saved if you had listened to that. So yeah, very, very interesting things. I am down. Let me move it over to Goon time. And now we will actually check out. Let's see this. What is this? ETH AMC, ETH_AMC. Let's see, ETH_AMC on X. ETH underscore AMC. ETH underscore AMC following 4,690. Wait, I'm following this thing. What the hell? Am I in this? I think I'm in this. I think I have some of this. Yeah, I am following this thing. I am not sure. I feel like I own you. I feel like I'm actually part of your community now. This is the Shiba Doge AMC. Yes, I 100% own America's meme coin, AMC. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. I literally own this one. Oh my God. That is so funny. That is so funny. Welcome. Welcome. Nice to see you guys. I literally own you guys. I don't even know. Let me see. How much did I got in? Like some guy told me to join this Telegram named Anthony Williams. I joined the Telegram. I bought the thing and I've just been holding on. I think I took some profits too, actually. What? You don't think I'm going to tell you if I took profits? Get out of here. Yes, I own AMC. This is the AMC, right? I own a lot of AMC. How much do I own? That's billions, bro. You got billions, Teddy. Let's see. No, I don't actually have billions, guys. Calm down. Dex tools. Wait, somewhere in here I gotta. Okay, well, I guess I gotta grab the click to copy. Boom. Boom. 233K in LP. You're 15% down. It's 24 days old. That's not bad at all. This is Shiba Doge team, bro. This got way more market cap. 1.89 market cap. Looks like we just got to sell. Oh, man, you're at that lower Bollinger Band. So, from what I know with Bollinger Bands, usually if it gets close to this lower Bollinger Band, it can bounce off and you can get another opportunity of a further price increase. So, let's see. Let's see. It does appear like, oh, wow, look, they got Brandon everywhere. America's meme coin. Dang, this is so cool. And they're like, let's go, bro. Come and join the TG. Bro, I'm in the TG. I literally own you guys. I'm following you guys. You have no idea. Wait, let me just go in the Telegram right now. I kid you not. I'm like, hey, AMC, right? Oh, embarrassing. Maybe I'm not. It's called the Society Main Group. What? Is this the right one? AMC buy 855. Should I say hi? Wait, I don't know if this is the right group now. It's called the Society Main Group. I'm gonna just say hi. Hi. Oh boy, it's probably the wrong group. Now I don't know what I bought. Now I don't know what I bought. Oh boy. The crypto future is in the house, packing bags. Yo, I own you guys, bro. I own you guys since day one. Hi from YouTube, sir. I see ya. I see ya. You see? You see? That is one. That's the right group, bro. I literally own you guys. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. I owned you since day one. I am a true holder. I think I've already taken my profits or got my initials, so the rest of the bag is moon bag, and I got billions. So let's go. Let's go. Not tens of billions. Okay, we don't even have that much. We'll see what happens. We'll see what that happens. 7 0 5 7 2 1. Gonna do some quick maths here. Let's see. Dun, 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 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 7. 5, 7. All right, how much is this? Yep. I own like $200 of this, so let's see what happens. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Guys, still a very interesting chart. I'm seeing a lot of green. I even see in the group you're getting a lot of buys right now. RSI at 47 potentially continues to go higher. We'll see. Usually neutral RSI means, hey, there is a reversal. So if a reversal comes in, and this is still early, 23 days. This is so early. And this is Shiba Doge, definitely anything. Yes, I'm an OG, bro. I've been in here right now. It's a great price. Yes, it definitely is. It definitely appears like it's about to go trending. So, hey, you heard it here on the Crypto Future first. Potentially make sure you find your entry point. And I don't even think you guys even are on exchanges, and the Shiba Doge is very familiar with exchanges, so we know, hey, if those listings do come, and that was one of the reasons I was convinced to get in, and it's Shiba Doge team that is pushing it. I do believe. Guys, this is no exchanges, and this is what they're at. Imagine once the exchanges do come. You don't think they have enough? I believe they do. Look what happened to Hoppy. Exactly. The devs are cooking. The devs know. Yep. All right. I think that is it, guys. I do not see anything else coming in. I do appreciate you, AMC community, America's meme coin. Definitely nice to see the community come together and show support for the stream. We stream Mondays and Thursdays, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you guys again Thursday. Stay safe, stay strong. Most importantly, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get rattled. Yeah. Don't get rattled. Yeah. Don't get rattled. Yeah. Don't get rattled. Yeah. Get informed.